Very good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I am going to restart the chapter Rise of Nationalism in Europe. Yesterday we also discussed about nationalism, about definition of nationalism, about the definition made by Ernst Renan. So today I am going to describe this question, and this question is very important. This question is, how did first clear expression came with French Revolution? Dear students, last year we studied about French Revolution in detail, and we know that what is the importance of French Revolution in the world. And you know that French Revolution took place in 1789, and many ideas like liberty, freedom of expression came into existence after French Revolution. So, but this question is about nationalism. So, how did first clear expression come with French Revolution? It means that first clear expression of nationalism came only after French Revolution. Okay, so there are 5 points because this question is long question. Therefore, we will write 5 different points. So first we will introduce. Nationalism is the feeling of collective identity. And first clear expression of nationalism came after French Revolution. And in next following lines, I am going to describe 5 very important points. Okay, so point number 1: full-fledged territorial state emerged as a full-fledged territorial state for the first time in modern world. So it was France who emerged as a full-fledged territorial state in the world. Understood? And many other European countries, many other European countries got inspiration from French Revolution. And second is transfer of power. So France was first country which made transfer of power in very effective manner. You know that King Louis XVI was the king. Okay, and King Louis XVI was assassinated by the people of France, and power was taken away from monarchy, and power was given to the people of France. So France was the first country in recent modern world where power was transferred from monarchy to the people of France. Okay, and next point is idea of la patrie and le citoyen. Okay, so after French Revolution, idea of la patrie and idea of le citoyen came into existence. That is very basic of nationalism. Idea of la patrie means France was considered as father, and idea of le citoyen means people of France was considered as children. And you know that as there is no discrimination between different son of one father, in the same way there is no difference among citizens of one nation. And this is the heart and soul of nationalism, because nationalism says 3 things: common past, common identity, common future, and liberty and daily plebiscite. I have described these 3 things yesterday. Okay, next one is creation of National Assembly and tricolor flag. And after French Revolution, France also created its parliament. So French parliament came to be known as National Assembly. So it was France who created its own National Assembly after transfer of power from monarchy to the people of France. Okay, and France also designed tricolor flag. Designed flag with 3 colors. Why? France wanted to show that there are many colors and there are different type of thought, different type of philosophies, and France could accommodate all diversity. So three color symbolize diversity. Next one is declaration of the mission to liberate the world from despotism. So after French Revolution, French armies also decided that it was their responsibility to liberate people of different European countries from dictatorship. Napoleon Bonaparte emerged and he became leader and he became emperor of France, understood, and he brought idea of nationalism from France to Holland. Holland means to modern Netherlands, to Belgium, to Switzerland, to Italy, to Germany, understood. So in this way, French armies and Napoleon Bonaparte brought idea of nationalism to different part of the world. Be understood very well. Thank you.